In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blend multiple images in Canva. Open your Canva design and head straight into your template so you're working on the exact canvas you want. On the left sidebar, click Uploads. If your images aren't there yet, you can upload them now. Otherwise, you'll see your existing media ready to use. Start by inserting your background image. Drag it onto the canvas and let it snap into place. Reposition it by clicking and dragging so the focal point sits where you want it. Use the purple alignment guides to keep things centered or aligned with other elements. If it doesn't fill the canvas quite right, resize it by pulling the corner handles. Stick to the corners to keep the aspect ratio intact and avoid any stretching. Now bring in your second image from Uploads and place it on top of the background. This image will be the one you blend into the first. Roughly position it where the overlap should happen. Before blending, crop away any parts you don't need. Select the image, click Crop, and drag the crop handles to trim edges or distractions so the main subject is clean. When you're happy, apply the crop. Enlarge the second image if needed so it complements the background scale. Aim for similar subject sizes to make the blend feel natural. Reposition again for a pleasing composition, and use small nudges with your arrow keys for precision. Next, go to the Apps tab on the left sidebar. In the search bar, type Image Blender and open it. Choose the linear option, which blends your top image into the bottom one along a straight gradient. You'll see draggable dots or handles that control where the blend starts and ends. Drag those dots to place the blend exactly over the area you want to merge. Think of it like sliding a soft edge curtain across your image. Align the handles from end to end so the blend line spans the full region that needs a smooth transition. If the blend looks too abrupt or too subtle, adjust the angle and distance between the handles till the two images flow nicely together. Finally, use the blend strength slider to fine-tune the softness. Lower values keep more of the top image crisp. Higher values create a gentler fade into the background. Make small adjustments and check the edges for a seamless look. When everything looks smooth and natural, click Save to apply the blend. That's it. Your images are now blended together in Canva with a clean, professional finish.